Crop cultivation is the process of growing plants, such as grains, fruits, vegetables, and cash crops, for various purposes, including food, feed, fiber, and industrial uses. Here are some key aspects and stages of crop cultivation. Land preparation. The first step in crop cultivation is preparing the land for planting. This involves clearing the area of weeds, rocks, and debris, followed by plowing or tilling the soil to loosen it and create a suitable seedbed. The soil may also be enriched with organic matter or fertilizers to improve its fertility. Seed selection. Choosing the right seeds is crucial for successful crop cultivation. Farmers select seeds based on factors like crop variety, desired traits, such as disease resistance or high yield, adaptation to local conditions, and market demand. Seeds can be obtained from previous harvests, purchased from seed companies, or acquired through breeding programs. Planting. Planting methods vary depending on the crop and farming system. Common techniques include sowing seeds directly into the soil, transplanting seedlings that were started in a nursery, or using specialized equipment like seed drills or planters. The timing of planting is often determined by factors such as climate, soil conditions, and the crop's growth requirements. Nutrient management. Crops require essential nutrients to grow and develop properly. Fertilizers are used to supplement the soil's nutrient content, providing elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Farmers may apply organic fertilizers, such as compost or manure, or synthetic fertilizers. Nutrient management also involves monitoring soil pH and adjusting it if necessary. Irrigation. Adequate water supply is essential for crop growth, especially in areas with insufficient rainfall. Irrigation methods include traditional techniques like flood irrigation and furrow irrigation, as well as more advanced systems like sprinklers or drip irrigation. Proper water management helps optimize crop yields and conserve water resources. Pest and weed control. Crops are susceptible to pests, diseases, and competition from weeds, which can reduce yields. Farmers employ various pest management strategies, including cultural practices, crop rotation, intercropping, biological control, using natural predators or beneficial insects, and the judicious use of pesticides when necessary. Weed control methods may involve manual removal, mechanical cultivation, or the use of herbicides. Crop monitoring and management. Farmers regularly monitor crops to ensure their health and address any issues promptly. This involves assessing plant growth, identifying signs of pests or diseases, and managing nutrient deficiencies or imbalances. Monitoring may also include observing weather conditions, predicting and managing potential risks, and making informed decisions about crop management practices. Harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering mature crops from the field. The timing of harvest depends on the crop's maturity stage and the intended use. Different crops require specific techniques for harvesting, such as cutting, picking, or uprooting. Proper handling and storage practices are crucial to preserve crop quality and minimize post-harvest losses. Post-harvest processing. After harvest, some crops require additional processing before they are ready for consumption or further use. This may involve cleaning, sorting, grading, drying, milling, or storing the crops under appropriate conditions to maintain their quality and prevent spoilage. Crop rotation and diversification. To maintain soil fertility and manage pests and diseases effectively, farmers often practice crop rotation. Crop rotation involves growing different crops in a planned sequence on the same piece of land over several seasons or years. It helps break pest and disease cycles, improves soil structure, and reduces the need for chemical inputs. Crop cultivation practices can vary based on factors such as the type of crop, farming system, conventional, organic, climate, available resources, and local agricultural traditions. Farmers continuously adapt their cultivation,